Back out to the beach, and don't I wish I was there with everybody else. It's fantastic today at these beach communities. Now, really warm? No, a lot of these daytime highs at beach communities peaked in the upper 60s and lower 70s. And again, this morning, there was actually some dense fog around briefly in the morning, but we did mix out most of that. Okay, this is a really fascinating forecast. Look at this. 99 degrees inland tomorrow, which is right on the records. And then Sunday, 87. So that's cooling, but still well above average. Take a look at Monday. 70 degrees for our interior valleys. The same places pushing record highs will be below average by Monday. Coastal valleys, again, where the average daytime highs, low 70s, mid 80s tomorrow. Then closer to average on Sunday with the marine layer returning. And then Monday, much below average. For us on the south coast today, pretty mild day, mild days ahead, some areas of low clouds, and then we also see temperatures falling off on Monday. Beach communities, again, more of that marine influence around. So like today, we're going to see some sunshine, likely get those temperatures back up into the 60s. It feels pretty good because the winds aren't moving very quickly, but again, not really hot at beach communities, the place to beat the heat. It's 81 in Santa Maria, 84 in San Luis, 76 right now in Santa Barbara, still 97 degrees in Paso Robles. We're going to hold on to this heat well into the evening because I don't see the winds pulling us back down. And again, that 97 is 2 degrees shy of the record for the day. In San Luis, we're well off the record, which is 95. Santa Maria, 81, 94 is the record from 1934. And Santa Barbara, nowhere near the 89 back from 1993. So we have a heat advisory through tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Basically, Cuesta Grade north through the 101 out to Shandon and including Lake Nacimiento. There's also a heat advisory for the peaks here of the Santa Ynez Mountains at higher elevations here. We're talking about temperatures that will be into the 90s. Okay, what about that cool down? I've colored all the cold air here in blue, and the rain is obviously the green. So when we set this into motion, you can see this huge system tumbling into the west. Rain to the north, but here we just get the cold air, and it arrives on Monday. Just showed you that 3 days, so it's around. And then there's more just generally cool air here in the west the rest of next week. So no return to these near triple-digit conditions in the interior. In fact, there's plenty more cold air even as we get later in the month. I'd call it mild down the road. And again, you can see this trough replacing this big ridge. Then the ridge moves off to the central section of the U.S., which warms up. And again, this is the likely not to produce rain trough that's on the way as we get into early next week. Mid to upper 70s for Lompoc and Santa Maria, mid 70s in Santa Barbara. Keep in mind, Santa Maria got to 80 today, so that's cooler. San Luis, 86, 99 in Paso Robles. Beach communities, another day where I'm shooting with temperatures in the 70s. Now, again, we kind of missed on some of those today. I thought we might get some 80s at beaches. Didn't really see that develop, but again, that didn't stop anybody from getting out there. Really looked like a great day to be at the beach. Extended forecast, dramatically cooler early next week, and then some rebound mid to late next week, but we're not going to put the temperatures back to where they are today. Can't put the genie back in the bottle. I'll see you at 5.